What if you can build a complete complex automation just by typing a single sentence? Yes, this can happen. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and creating workflows usually takes time. You need to select the apps, configure the triggers, add the actions and map the data. But what if you could skip all of that and simply tell AI what to do? Yes, in this video, I'll show you how Pabbly's AI workflow builder can create complex workflows in minutes. We'll build a complete multi-step automation just by typing one prompt. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create 100 of complex automations for free, try it for free and use it for your business. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. What you can do is, once you're going to go on this Pabbly Connect plan and go on this buy button, you're going to get this option to apply the coupon. And when you apply this coupon, which is RITYT, you're going to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So try Pabbly Connect today, and if you like it, you can definitely use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window overhead. And yes, now you want to create an AI workflow. So for that, go on this create workflow button and you're going to see the option of create using AI. So select this and a window something like this will appear in front of you. So let's say we want to build a complete lead management system. Whenever our leads come in, we want to save the lead details in Google Sheets, send the welcome email, send WhatsApp message, notify team on Slack, add the details to CRM and create a follow-up task. And instead of building this manually, we are just going to write the prompt over here. So as you can see that this is the prompt, which is the lead data should be saved in Google Sheets, a welcome email should be sent via Gmail, a WhatsApp message should be sent. I'm just going to enter via Pabbly chat flow over here. So I'm just going to type via Pabbly chat flow. You can enter the name of the platform using which you want to send the WhatsApp message to the lead, a Slack notification, and you can see rest of the prompt over here. Don't worry, you're going to get this prompt in the description box below. You can check it out. Let's just send this prompt. Once you're going to see, we are going to send the prompt. It is saying thinking. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds, it is going to reply us. You're going to see over here is the reply within seconds. Which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow? So it is new lead, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. It is saying which Google Sheet action would you like for add row. Select it as add new row. It is asking for the Gmail action. I'm just going to select it. It is asking for the Pabbly chat flow action. I'm going to select it. It is asking for the Slack action. I'm going to select it. It is asking for the CRM, so I'm just going to select it as Zoho CRM, and then I'm just going to select the action. After this, it is asking me for the Zoho CRM action that would create the task. So I'm just going to select it as create contact task over here, and you're going to see yes, this automation is ready. So I entered this prompt at 12:20 p.m. and at 12:21 p.m. this automation is ready. Further, you're going to see all the apps are added right over here. If I want to edit some apps, I can go on this edit button and I can modify this workflow by typing what would I like to change. Apart from this, if I approve this workflow, I can go on this approve and create, and yes, this workflow is created. Once I'm going to click on this open workflow, you're going to see yes, over here is the full workflow which is created. Now you can see that this is the workflow which is created. As you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 steps over here in just a single minute. Now what we have to do, we just have to connect our apps, map the data, and we are ready to go. So now imagine create this manually. manually. You would like to search for each app, add each step, configure everything manually. That takes several minutes or even longer. But with this AI workflow builder, you can just describe the workflow and instantly it makes it easier to build even complex automations. So that's how you can build workflows in minutes using AI. Instead of spending the time on setup, you can focus on what you actually want to automate. So go and try this amazing AI workflow builder yourself. And if you found this helpful, do hit the like button. And for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, try this, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And don't forget, the discount coupon code is attached right over here and also in the description box below. Right now, you're going to get a heavy discount. So go and try this amazing automation. Then if you like it, go and purchase Pabbly Connect. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.